Welcome to EPCTender.in, an AI-native compliance and command center powered by FusionPact. We help power transmission and substation EPCs achieve an 80% productivity uplift and 100% audit-ready compliance. Today we'll explore the entire tendering lifecycle, from automated discovery and AI synopsis to cost sheet management and engineering collaboration. The current EPC reality is fragmented. Teams spend 12 hours a day manually checking portals, leading to missed bids and costly compliance gaps. Manual cost sheets break under pressure, and reliance on WhatsApp for approvals leaves no defensible audit trail. It's time for a single source of truth. Our platform unifies the value chain: discover, qualify, cost, approve, and execute. Every step is compliant by design. We pull opportunities from power grid, private IPPs, GEM, and global utilities into one inbox classified by your specific line of business. Your day starts here. A single command surface to visualize deadlines on a live calendar and monitor your global bid pipeline. Track opportunities months before they go live. Our engine monitors utility planning portals so you can pre-qualify long before the NIT is issued. Move from discovery to a qualified pipeline with AI-driven data extraction and structured management approval workflows. Turn hours of NIT reading into 60 seconds. Our AI auto-extracts project scope, quantities, and payment terms into a structured summary. Replace Excel chaos with a unified cost engine. Features include formula inspection, live vendor price sync, and automated BOQ refetching. Simplify multi-vendor RFQs. Collect quotes in-platform and perform side-by-side comparisons to identify the best value. Maintain a central directory of approved vendors mapped to materials, complete with performance history and past offer trends. Build an institutional memory of market rates. Track every quoted price by item, vendor, and date in both INR and USD. Eliminate the chase for inputs. BD teams raise requests against tenders, while engineering manages tasks by priority and SLA. Integrate bid foundations. People costs autosync from HR, while finance tracks EMDs and MAAT eligibility for every tender. Experience the power of a dedicated AI assistant that is fully grounded in your specific tender corpus, including your vendor history, past pricing data, and lengthy NIT documents. Instead of searching through endless files, you can simply ask the platform anything. Need to find a specific scope clause or payment term? Looking for the best fit vendor for a material based on past offers? Or maybe you need a quick audit of a complex cost sheet formula? The AI agent handles it all, citing its sources and even providing real-time updates on your bid pipeline, such as what's due this week or pending approval. It's not just AI, it's an expert partner that knows your data inside and out. Nothing slips through the cracks. An always-on activity stream alerts you to new tenders, deadline updates, and approval movements. Let's look at the impact. Before EPCTender.in, teams spent up to 12 hours a day just monitoring portals, and another 10 hours manually reading every NIT. Data was trapped in scattered Excel sheets and WhatsApp messages, leaving no audit trail and eroding your win rates. With our platform, the entire process is automated, accurate, and auditable. You get 24/7 auto-fetching across all portals, AI-generated synopses in under 60 seconds, and a role-gated workflow that provides a full, defensible audit trail for every bid. The net effect is clear. You submit more bids, better bids, and faster submissions. The net effect: more bids, better bids, and faster submissions. Ready to see it in action? Let's run a working session on your next live tender.